So, according to our manufacturer, and according to ITEL, they said this was the exact same as this. What we have here, it is a Tuscaloosa, Alabama produced shingle. As you can see, size difference in comparison, it's that much. In comparison here, it ends there. So what does that mean for a repair? Let's go ahead and take care of this. Manufacturer specifically states not to mix the codes. Here we have 1840 on the old shingle, and we have R001849 on the new shingle. So not only that the codes don't match, that means that they shouldn't be mixed, and they're not mixed for specific reasons from manufacturer. So if I'm to line these shingles up, now we've changed nail patterns. The line no longer meets the nail line that's there. Okay. So you can see down here, we line them up there. The shingle falls all the way down here, which that means if you want me to trim the shingle, I have to trim it there. And by me trimming that shingle right there, I'll show you what happens. I'll be removing the first piece of tar, and that means this now is more likely to catch wind, and it will be lifting up the shingle. So by me cutting that off, I cut off the first seal, and it tempers with manufacturer's warranty against wind, and the shingle will never seal down properly. So over your lay your shingles down like they're supposed to. So as you can see, the shingle is way too big. I'm gonna have to put it in here. Hello. So that is what you're going to be looking at for a repair. That gets trimmed off. That gets trimmed off. Loses its tar qualities, like we spoke about. All the first tar strip is completely gone. It's going to be doing this number here. We'll erase them up. raise them up. Now they're having to be nailed all the way up here. By them being nailed all the way up here in the nail zone specified by the manufacturer, now you have this going on because they're so much higher nailed compared to this nail. That's the original nail zone. This is the new nail zone. Gives it a whole lot more play. So this repair is not compatible. Solely for demonstration purposes. Just lined up with the line. And you can see the color itself is not compatible. So, as it fell, you can see shingle creases here, shingle crease there, shingle crease here, shingle right there, shingle crease here, shingle crease here, and damage here and here. So overall, the repair causes more damage than it would help out this roof.